Hey guys, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm leaving Hua Hin on my way to the train station. Another successful train ride. Train station's behind me. They're blaring some music, so I'm gonna get out of here as fast as I can. And we're looking for Sunset Hostel. You can hear it in the background. That's the Thai national anthem. They play that every day at 8 in the morning and at 6 at night. When I was working in Khon Kaen at the high school, we used to have to stand for this every morning at 8 a.m. So, all right, next stop, Sunset Hostel. Oh man, I took a much needed shower. So refreshing. All right, I want to give you guys a tour of this hostel. It's a pretty good hostel, since I'm going to be leaving at 6:30 in the morning. So it'll be dark and quiet, so I don't want to do it in the morning before I go. So here's the dorm room. This is an air-conditioned dorm. The place is called Sunset Hostel. It's 250 baht, which works out to be a little over $8. That's steep for me compared to the north. I mean, I've lived in the north for the last 6 months, so I got used to Chiang Mai prices. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Pai, those three cities are typically the cheapest in Thailand, and they're all in the north, so that's the cheapest place. This place is about double of what I was paying in Chiang Mai, but it's also the cheapest place on Booking, so that tells you. But for being cheap, it's pretty good. So it's air conditioned. They have it set constant on 23, which for me isn't too bad. These beds, check out this. This is not my bed, but so it's got a mattress, but they got a thick top on it, so this one's pretty comfortable, and two really cushy pillows there. This looks like this hostel was pretty much new. Maybe not new, but it's pretty nice. I took a shower earlier, so I'll show you the bathrooms. The bathrooms are really nice. Wi-Fi. Yeah. Wi-Fi, and you see this in Asia a lot. If you don't know what durian is, look it up. It's very, very stinky. So you see this in other places too. They fine you. I don't know if they actually do or if it's just a threat, but the bathroom's straight through here. There's the shower I used. Good water pressure. And then some pretty updated toilets. I think the bathroom has just been renovated. So, okay, let's go downstairs. Room 201, that's me. Oh, I got a toilet next to my room. I didn't even notice. Looks like a shower in there as well. Oh yeah. This is a wet bathroom, typical in Asia. So everything can get wet. Everything, even the toilet paper roll and everything. So to clean it, it's really easy. You just spray it down, you know, everything. There's no lead or anything. The drain is just on the floor. What they usually do is they'll have sandals outside of the bathroom so that they can wear them when they go into the bathroom, because the floor is usually wet. This is just a landing here. TV room, computers. Looks like they got some books and stuff over there. Looks like we got a hostel kitty. Meow. Kitchen down here. This hostel, you have free breakfasts included. I don't think I will have the free breakfast because I leave so early. But the pictures look good on booking, the pictures of the breakfast. That's pretty much it. This is reception, right out the front door. Looks like you can buy, they sell beer, pop, water. And later I'm gonna go out to the night market and grab something to eat. Okay, we're leaving the hostel. Gonna check out the night market. I'm not real familiar with southern food, so even though I've been in Thailand quite a bit, I'm not really familiar with the food down here. So I check out a lot of markets, but I've never been to a southern one. There are different cuisines in Thailand: northern, central, southern, and Isan. So we're in the south now, so we got a different style of food. So let's check it out. Spring rolls. Hello, I'm just looking. Thank you. Oh, sushi in Thailand. Salmon. Oh, I like salmon. How rai for? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. So this is 60 cents. Like 50 cents. 50 cents. 12, 10 cents, 10 cents. That looks really good. I'm gonna get one of those right now. Thank you. Let's see it. Let's try it. That's a big piece of nigiri. Pretty good. Tastes fresh. It's different because they put mayonnaise under it. It doesn't have any wasabi. It's got mayonnaise under it and then tamago, the eggs on top. Pretty good. 60 cents. I actually saw these when I was walking from the train station down to the hostel. I think I might get some of these for my actual dinner instead of a snack. But maybe they're just all imitation crab meat. If that's the case, I want them, but I love me some spring rolls. Oh yeah, these ones have just tuna fish. I think I might get the tuna fish ones. 40 cup. เท่าไหร่ 40 baht. Okay. And Thailand does chicken right. They always have good fried chicken. 40 cup. Meat tubes on a stick. Grilled hot dogs. Pink hot dogs. They're no pilgrims, I'm sure. Pilgrim hot dogs are the best, by the way, in case you didn't know. This soy krok isan? Or name? Name? Ua.
Isan sausage.
Soy krok isan.
Isan.
Okay, very good. This is sai ua.
Yeah.
Sai ua. This one has the lemongrass. This one is fermented, so it's a little sour. This one's my favorite. And you eat it with khao niao, sticky rice. Very good. Yes. So good. Oh, we have some braised ducks. Braised chicken. Fat guy. Mo. I'm trying to learn. I always try to learn as much as I can. My Thai sucks. Oh, I was talking about durian earlier. Here you go. And it's significantly stinky, right? So you can smell it. It's pricey, that's why I never buy it, but I've had it 3 times before and it's really, really good. Here we go, guys. This is my jam. This is my jam. So, grilled meats with sticky rice. That's the way I do it. I probably eat this stuff like maybe 3-4 times a week, maybe. I don't know. But look at this. Chicken. I can't name them all. That's chicken butt, chicken heart, chicken gizzard, chicken wing. Look at that chicken wing. Pork. Minced pork. Chicken breast, chicken leg, chicken drumstick. Oh, pork? Oh, okay. Oh, those ones look good. Yeah, and you know that top is my favorite. Top mu, top guy. Top guy. Oh, those chickens must be huge. Guy yai. Tarai chicken. Yeasy? Okay, so that's a good deal. I think this is the winner. You guys will have to let me know what you saw and what you would get if you were here. What would you get? Right? This is also another thing that I eat a lot is tuatom. Tuatom, a bag like this is usually 20 baht, 20 baht, 60 cents, right? 20 baht, 60 cents. I love boiled peanuts. All right, thanks, man. Peace. Okay, everything's been pretty normal up to now, right? Thailand, shit must be weird, crazy, right? Yeah, but not till now. But now, here's the thing that scares people a lot: chicken feet. Right? It's not dangerous. All it is skin, basically. If you eat chicken skin, then you eat that. Here's a gang place. Gang means curry. So this is a curry and rice place, and these are the best, man. Served with rice, there's so much. Sawadee kap. Oh, it's a tough choice now. I mean, this one ranks right up there with the meat on a stick, but we're gonna have to see. Looks like here we got some stir fry, some shrimp, pork. Wow, I've never seen these before. They look like shrimp or seafood pancakes. We got crab in there, calamari, shrimp, pancakes. Oh, these little oysters, I guess. Tiny little oysters. Or mussels, maybe. Grilled fish. These are salt crusted fish, so they salt crust them first and then grill them. Yeah, there's a lot of different food that I have never seen before. This is good. I'm gonna enjoy the South because I'll get to try all the different foods. All right, guys, we're almost done with the one side of the street. This side of the street is more packed. The other side doesn't have as many places. All right, guys, comment. Let me know what food you would pick so far. Mine is the chicken on a stick with sticky rice. Chicken on a stick with sticky rice. Say that 5 times fast. Oh, here's donuts. Donuts. Khao man gai is khao man gai. So chicken, boiled chicken over rice. It's good. They have that in the north also. Here's the fast food down here. Some more of this. Check out this smorgasbord of fake meats. Yeah, what they do is, this is popular with university students and kids. They usually, these food stalls are outside of schools and stuff because kids love it. So they just pick what they want and then they deep fry it. They just deep fry everything together. Okay, guys, that seals it. Chicken it is. Let me know. Okay guys, last time I saw you, I was in a town called Chumpon. We visited the night market. Now I'm in Surat Thani. It's a town south of Chumpon. So I had some issues with data storage on my GoPro. So we're working out the kinks. I lost about 2 days of video, 50 different clips. So. Okay, so we just had our first run-in, first problem of the day. I knew I had to walk around a military base, but apparently I had to walk through it, and they won't let you walk through it. The military base is very big, and the place, the beach, secluded beach I plan on camping is in the military base, technically, but we'll see when we get out there. We'll ask some locals. If I walk around all the way to where I'm supposed to go now, I will get there after dark. So I'm gonna try to hitchhike and see how it goes. That was a good lunch. And we made it back to the Mae Khlong train station. Okay, next stop, Chumpon. I went through the grieving process. I think I'm in the acceptance phase now. Let's move on, there's more video to take. So we're in Surat Thani, and guess what? We finally rented a bike, and we're gonna start moto camping from here. Now it's a Honda i-Scoopy. It's all right, it'll do. He gave me a deal on it. It's normally 3,500 baht. I got it for 3,000 for the whole month, which is $100, or wait, yeah, $100 for the whole month. So that's not too bad. So my next stop, I heard from some people around that there's a beach nearby. We're not gonna go too far, but we're gonna find it. It's called Ao Kanom. I looked it up on Google, and we're gonna try to find a place to camp on the beach. Okay guys, we're on. Off to the beach, let's go. That's gonna wrap up the video for today though, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. We got to get the viewers up, so please share, like it, subscribe, turn on the bell. Remember, the world is big, life is short. Don't squander, wander.